So?
I can't believe it, but it's done.
But everything's sorted, right?
Yeah, I just never thought I would actually...
I know.
So what happens now?
Well, you would say that I was right.
Okay, I was right.
Ritchie.
You knew that I nearly couldn't go through with it. To be honest, I'm fucking
terrified. She tried not to show, but I know, you see. And she was absolutely gutted when I said no. It's funny, isn't it? How people try and change things. Almost like they've got something to prove. No, I can't be arsed. I need a fucking holiday in Thailand to feel like I got something to say. I'm coming across as though I'm jealous. And I'm not. It's not that, I just couldn't. And I don't know why, but something tells me I should be
scared to make a simple decision. I'm sorry, mate, I don't get it.
Don't be a twat, it's not that simple.
But the job went well. They clearly liked you, right?
Well, yeah.
So what's the problem then?
This gin's the problem.
What?
It's crap, I don't know why we do it to ourselves.
Feel free to get them in yourself next time then. Mate, will you stop worrying? It's an amazing opportunity. You know I'd give anything for an opportunity
it's an
like
amazing
that.
opportunity, that's what everyone keeps bloody saying.
Because it is.
But what if it's not right? Like it's not what I'm supposed to be doing?
Yeah. Amazing money and some stability. Not what anybody wants, is it? God, you need
help. I never really realised it at the time. Fuck me, that I need help. The reason why it took so long, I think, is because people piss me off. Always have. So to ask for help just felt impossible. I can't stand the chin wag or the arbitrary catch up. People are exhausting. Even my mates. Especially my mates. I suppose it can be done though. I mean, I'm living proof that it can be. But I'm not gonna bullshit anybody. This might be the hardest thing that I've ever had to do. I think I just have to be
brave. This isn't exactly bravery, Lewis. It's a bloody bee.
No, it's not. It's a fucking wasp. Do you know how much they hurt? Have you ever been stung by one?
Yeah, I've been stung.
Oh shit, that evil little bastard. It's because I'm allergic. My face can't look like that again. Every time I walked into the living room, my nana nearly had a heart attack.
I don't like worms.
Worms?
Yeah, worms. I don't even know what it is about them. Just the way they writhe about. Or there's something, though. Do you not think that they're just disgusting little creatures?
Has it gone yet?
No, just run.
So?
I can't believe it, but everything's done.
Well, everything's sorted, yeah?
Yeah. I thought I'd have to, actually.
I know.
I mean, what happens now?
You say I was right.
Yeah. I was right.
Oh, witty.
I almost didn't go through with it. To be honest, I'm fucking...
Shitting yourself.
Yeah.